back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to change the brake fluid and the Lexus. As you know, about 5 months ago I changed the brake pads and rotors. So today I'm going to change the brake fluids and the car. Now I usually change it every 2 years. I think last time I changed it was around March 2018. Now the brake fluid that I'm going to use is Moto. I heard good things about them, so I decided to give them a try. And I also bought this little pump of Amazon to pump the fluid out of the reservoir. And I also bought this tube from Amazon as well, so we can flush our brake lines. All right guys, now first thing I'm going to do is empty this reservoir. I will use that pump to empty it out. Then I'll fill it back up with the fluids. Then what you're gonna do to flush your brake line, you're gonna have to start from the rear passenger side to the driver side, then to the front passenger side right here, and to the driver. Now the next part is to open this up right here. You can see the fluid here is a little dark. There's a little cap right here that you can remove. Now make sure to put a towel right here because you don't want brake fluid to get on your paint or your anything here. So I'm just gonna use this is just a safety cap you have to remove in here. All right, for this cap, all you have to do is turn in and lift it up, and I can just set it aside here. Now as you can see, I have a bottle here so I can pump the fluid out. So yeah, all I have to do is hold this and hold the bottle at the same time and then pump it out. And just like that, I got all the fluid out. Well, not all of it, but yeah, I got pretty much most of the fluid out. As you can see, it's really dark. So yeah, it was time to change. Now all I have to do is fill this up, and then I'll go underneath of the car to bleed the fluid. All right, just like that, I put no fluids in there. As you can see right up here, it says max. This is where the fluid should be. Now all I have to do is go flush the line, and then I'll flush the first one, then I'll come up here, put more fluids in here, and then I'll do the second one, then come put more fluid in the third and the fourth one. All right guys, to do this is the where you're gonna flush the brake. There's a little plastic ring right on top of it. You're just gonna have to take it off, and you gonna need a 10mm socket to turn it. But before you do this, you have to use your brake tube here first. You just place it up here like that, Now it comes with something you can hang it somewhere. So I'm just trying to find. I'm just gonna hang it up right up here from this solar power link. After we turn this, we open the line, we can have someone push on the brake and flush it until there's no dark fluids and bubbles. All right guys, just like that, we are done with the first one. Now we just have to do the same thing on the other side. This is the fluid that came out of the rear brake lines. As you can see, it's pretty dark. And now what I have to do is put more fluid in there. At first it was right up there on max. Now it's all the way down here, so we just gonna add more fluid and the reservoir before we do front lines. Now for the front lines, we're gonna start on this side, then this side right here. Then again, for the front lines is the same thing. This is the passenger side. That's the one you have to do first. And the first thing you gotta do is take off that plastic cover here. This is when you wish that you have a freaking lift, but in my case I don't have one because track stands is just a pain on the butt. Put the tube in here and have someone pump the brakes and turn it so the fluid can come out. All right, it's started to get clear now, so I think we're gonna stop it right here. We're gonna have to slowly move that. There we go. All right, just like that, this side is done. Now we're going to do the driver side and we'll be all set. All right guys, just like that, we all done. And as you can see, this is the fluids that I took off from the reservoir and the brake lines, and this is more of it. As you can see, it's pretty dark, so it needed to be changed. Now this kit I bought it off Amazon. It's nice, but I would say if you can go to the store and buy longer hose, it would be nice, because this one is too short, so it keep coming off. So I have to film. And do this at the same time. It was a little hard, but it works great. I just wish the tail hose was longer. And this pump right here works fantastic, so I'll put a link in the description below for this pump and for this bottle. And I made to a link for these as well. All right guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give this video a like, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.